This is Jessica Holmes with Decatur City Schools, and I just wanted to show my students the importance of the guided notes. So the whole point of the guided notes to use in Edmentum, and I'm also going to show you here in an English 11th grade tutorial. The whole point is basically what it does is it walks you through a lesson and you're getting the best of your time. So students are always like, maybe I'm spending too long, or how do I know if I'm getting the best out of the unit throughout the tutorial? So I'm going to make a quick, probably just show of this. So within a tutorial, once you launch it, you would hit the tutorial, open it up, each one in the index table of content. All right, you see this from the 3 lines on the left. There should always be a folder. Okay, we've already addressed this in another, but just to kind of quickly run you through it, here it is. So we're going to launch this. I'm not going to go in as to how to save this. You should see that in another video. This video is specifically catered to why use the guided notes. Okay, so we should have already downloaded this, and I'm just going to specifically run you through what a guided notes PDF should do for you. All right, so this one is American Realism. You see the objective. Each one is going to begin that way. In this lesson, you will. Okay, so each lesson is going to focus on something specific to whatever it is that content is trying to reach out to you and embed throughout that entire unit. So this one is American Realism. All right, so you see here we have literary realism, and in that we have realism and romanticism. Then we come down, we have American realism. So pay attention to those bold headlines there. Okay, I'm going to kind of scroll. Now, it's going to take you through a piece of literature here. It says The Man That Corrupted Hadleyburg. Okay, this is a Mark Twain. All right, scroll on down. We have an Ambrose Bierce. Okay, it says reading selection. So it's, it's pulling it out. It's telling you exactly. You're going to pull that out. We're going to work on that particular piece. Okay, analysis. Okay, that's a key context clue word there. Okay, that says we're going to analyze this particular piece of literature. All right, and so you're going to see that in the content that we're going to pull. All right, again, scrolling, key term, pay attention to that. You also have access to the glossary. Words will also have blue highlighted words to them. All right, focus on language. Each one of the English lessons will have a focus on language. It's going to have that embedded grammar using hyphens. That's what this particular one is focusing on. And then a summary. All right, the summary is for you, okay? By the way, the whole guided notes is for you, okay? These are not for me. I'm not going to grade these. The whole thing is for you to be able to go through these. You can use these on your mastery test. You can use these on your post test and your end of semester test. The whole virtual learning platform is for you. What you put into it is what you will get out of it. So my best advice to you as you are going through is to get the guided notes, look at the video that I have for you as to how to download them. And if you need to print them out. It helps. Some of us are just that way. Some of us like to just write for our different types of learners. All right, so the one last thing I want to show you. All right, so I have this guided notes. I'm going to go back to my tutorial, and I'm going to open up the content. All right, as I scroll through, all right, there's my objective. You will evaluate the emergence of the realist period and its literature. Okay, I may be like, heck, I don't know what that means. Okay, well, guess what? You're an online learner. Look up what the words mean. Okay, emergence. What does that mean? It means to come out. It means to put forth. Think of a butterfly. emerging from a cocoon, okay? Apply what you already know. Okay, do not be intimidated by this just because it's online and all of a sudden you're overwhelmed. Take it one slide at a time, one step at a time. And that's what I love about the embedded guided notes. All right, I love the introduction video for each one of these lessons. Excuse me, you can put the captions on, okay, and then you get going. So if I just pause that right there, the information that it gave us, and then two, I love closed captions. It gives us the information right there. It spells it for us. We can pause. We can back it up a little bit. Um, we're going back through. Okay, well, what is realism? It's a directed reaction to romanticism. All right. Um, Pushing forward, that was based on the premise that literature should reflect reality rather than a romantic, okay, idealized version of the world. So if I go back to my guided notes, okay, so what did it do? It focused on, and we're going to go back. All right. So I hope that this will be able to help you as you go throughout, and see whatever you put into this is what you're going to get out of it. So you see that it's embedded for you right there. So as you go throughout your tutorials, you should be able to find this. So hope this helped. Have a great day.